My country people, it's Ijeoma Nnebe and I don't carry another ogbonge news come. So Uche Nancy and Oluebube Obio, her adopted daughter, they went on a beach date. So na so Oluebube come dey ask people, please help me and ask my mommy Uche Nancy if it's that thing she's doing I'm doing. I told her calm down, look at me, do what I'm doing, but no, she will always dance the one that pops up in her mind. That's how Uche Nancy replied, my only remote control. I go love if you see the way Uche Nancy family treasure this Oluebube, you go the one that say, Oluebube, this your family too sweet. Make I play the video, make una watch and judge the matter.
If Jackie happy, I fit be my baby. I fit to get us so happy. I was still in my
video pause, make I talk to my people. I know say you dey enjoy that video, you dey enjoy the music as well, But I beg, as you dey watch my Aproko news, click on the link on my bio, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I beg, I dey drop gist as e dey hot for there also. As I dey try dey make your body cooled, your body dey totori you, I beg make you return the favor. Support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more ogbonge news with the totori body. When I know as you dey do am for here, you see your one and only amiable girl Cindy. For my page, no authentic news I dey carry come. Originality now we dey share for this page. See you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Now. Bye.